Welcome to Thrifty Finance Vision PH. Today, we have an important topic that everyone should know. This is personal finance basics for beginners. If you're looking to take control of your finances and build a solid foundation for your future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is personal finance? Personal finance is all about managing your money effectively. It involves making informed decisions about spending, saving, investing, and planning for the future. Whether you're just starting your first job, studying in college, or already on your career path, understanding even the basics of personal finance will set you up for financial success. The first step in personal finance is creating a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses. It helps you track where your money is going and allows you to make adjustments to reach your financial goals. Start by listing all your income sources, such as your salary or any side hustle earnings. Then, categorize your expenses, including necessities like rent, utilities, groceries, and discretionary spending like entertainment or dining out. The next step is setting up an emergency fund. An emergency fund is crucial for financial security. It's a savings buffer to cover unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. It may take time to build, but it will protect you from falling into debt during tough times. Another important topic in personal finance is managing debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial well-being. Be mindful of taking on too much debt and focus on managing it wisely. Pay off high-interest debts first, like credit card balances, and consider consolidating debts if it helps reduce interest rates. Always pay at least the minimum amount due on time to maintain a good credit score. Habit of saving. Savings play a vital role in achieving your financial goals. Make saving a habit, no matter how small the amount. Consider opening a separate savings account for specific goals like buying a car, going on a vacation, or building your emergency fund. The power of compound interest will work in your favor when you start saving early. Once you've established an emergency fund and paid off high-interest debts, it's time to explore investing. Investing allows your money to grow over time. Diversify your investments by considering stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or index funds. Remember, investing involves risks, so always do your research or consult with a financial advisor. The next step is retirement planning. This is crucial to ensure a comfortable future. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement accounts like SSS or individual retirement accounts, IRA. Contribute regularly to these accounts, and if possible, take advantage of any employer matching contributions to maximize your savings. That concludes our crash course on personal finance basics for beginners. Remember, financial success is a journey, and it's never too late to start. By budgeting wisely, saving regularly, managing debt, and investing prudently, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.